And just like that, the cryptocurrency market has changed direction. Now look at this. Strategy buying over 3,000 Bit. Dude, I wish I could go out there and buy 3,000 Bitcoin in one swoop. I mean, that would be absolutely incredible, especially adding it to the 750,000 Bitcoin that Strategy already owns. $1.1 billion in ETF inflows surging higher. Guys, institutional demand seems like it's back. Now, I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I'm not going to say that this market is going to continue rising. I'm not going to jinx it. Absolutely not. But we're going to be taking a look at it in the video today because things are starting to look very good. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Now, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, blockchain technology, and so on, and that's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or any guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest crypto news, price action, and so on. And my goodness, does the price action look amazing today. $73,000 Bitcoin, $2,150 Ethereum, Solana sitting at $91.50 right now. Prices are looking amazing, and if these institutional inflows continue on, they're going to get even better. Now, it says in just 1 week, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs absorbed a staggering $1.1 billion, and Strategy added another 3,015 Bitcoin to its corporate treasury. Now, like I said, dude, I'd even take the scraps off that. I'd take the 15 Bitcoin. I'd be okay with that as well. It says the headline number is $1.1 billion. That is the net capital that flowed into spot Bitcoin ETFs in just 5 trading days, effectively erasing the fearful sentiment that dominated the prior weeks. Now, BlackRock's IBIT continued to be the primary engine, pulling in over $500 million alone. My goodness. Guys, BlackRock is in charge of a lot of money. These institutions are basically rulers of Wall Street. And what are they doing? Buying Bitcoin. Look, I'm going to go over a little bit more of this article, but this is a very good sign that these gains could continue on. Institutional adoption and inflows will eventually leave retail investors behind. I mean, there's no other way to put it, right? So you've got a decision to make now. Buy when others are fearful, buy when the prices are low, or get left behind by institutions. You know, I joke about taking the scraps, 15 Bitcoin being scrap compared to the 3,000 that he just bought and the 750,000 that he already owns. But guys, there's going to be a point in time when even Strategy might only be able to buy 15 Bitcoin at a time. The institutions know this, which is why they accumulate as much as possible. It says the massive reversal comes after a period of stagnant price action that left many investors questioning the cycle. But Bitcoin inflows to this magnitude tell a different story. When funds like BlackRock and Fidelity see this level of volume, it suggests that wealth managers are allocating client capital for the long haul, rather than day trading the chop. It says the convergence of ETF buying and corporate treasury accumulation creates a powerful, tangible floor for the price. Support levels around the lows of $50,000 are now defended not just by technical chart patterns, but by billions of dollars in institutional buy orders. And like I said, guys, if they continue on, I don't want to get left behind, so I continue to accumulate. Now, I do accumulate on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. You guys got a link for this down in the description if you want to check it out there. But I'm also diversifying my portfolio into tiny little tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. Now, Bitcoin Hyper is building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin, one of the fastest that's out there. And they've already raised $31.8 million. They've done that in a time when everybody has been showing extreme fear. Now, the layer 2 blockchain is going to be very simple. You're going to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. You're going to transact on the layer 2 with near instant finality. You're going to have, utilizing zero knowledge proofs, it sends that info back to Bitcoin where it's validated on the blockchain. And then when you're ready to withdraw, you initiate the request and your Bitcoin are sent back to your layer 1 wallet. It is that easy. which is why I believe they're bringing a lot of utility to Bitcoin, and they're getting a lot of attention and clearly a lot of inflows as well. Now, if you're interested in any of this, you got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you guys end up deciding, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.